Hello, ma'am.
Hi, sir.
How are you?
I'm fine, thank you. And what about you?
I'm also good. So, what's your name, ma'am?
My name is Nishu, and what about you?
My name is Adyan Arora. So, firstly, I would like to know about you. Can you introduce yourself?
Yes, here I am going to tell you about myself. My name is Nishu, and I'm from Ramala. And about my study, so I have passed 12th class so far, and nowadays I'm learning spoken English, and as well as I am preparing for IELTS exam. So about my family, so there are four members in my family, including me. About my hobbies, so I like to draw my designs, and I like to cook food, and I like to play games, and I love travel. About my goal, so I want to be a successful person in my life. This is all about myself, and now if you want to ask anything, so you may ask.
Okay, ma'am. So, as you said that you like to make designs. What kind of designs?
I like to draw dresses,
Dresses.
women dresses.
Okay, so have you prepared any dress?
Yes, I have prepared so many dresses.
Okay, which dress have you prepared last?
Last, and I have uh, I have prepared western dresses last.
Okay, and from where have you learned this?
And I learned it myself.
Yourself.
Yeah,
Is it easy?
yes, it is easy for me.
Okay,
Now I want to know about you. So please tell me about yourself.
okay. So, my name is Davyan Arora. I am in ninth class. About my qualification, so I have passed my 8th class so far and have completed my English course. Nowadays, I am just revising my rules, doing self study, attending my classes. That's all about me. And about my goals, so I want to be a successful person, and I want to be a astronomer. Maybe you know about that. So that's all about me. About my family, if I talk about my family, so there are five members in my family, including. If you want to ask anything, you may ask.
Oh, what does your mother do?
She is a teacher.
She is a teacher.
And what about your family? What does your father and mother do?
My mother is a housewife, and my father was a government employee, but he passed away in Corona. And if I talk about my brothers, so I have two elder brothers. One of them has passed his master, and nowadays he is preparing for PhD entrance exam. And one of them has passed his PT exam, and now he is waiting for his visa. And
Oh,
what about your sibling?
Uh, there is just we are two siblings only. My elder sister and me. So my elder sister has gotten a job 3 days ago, 3 to 4 days ago, and nowadays she is doing a job. She has shifted, and my mother, I told you that she is a teacher. My father is an advocate, and there is my grandmother as well. She is a housewife.
Where is she doing a job? Your sister?
My sister, she is doing job in Gurgaon. Yeah. So as you told me that you also like to play games.
Yeah.
So what kind of games? Outdoor games, indoor games, or mobile games?
I like to play outdoor and indoor both of games.
Both of games. Don't you
Yeah.
play mobile games?
No, I don't play mobile games.
What do you think about mobile games?
Mobile games, actually, I don't like to play mobile games. So,
Any point of view?
yeah, it's not good for students, for kids also.
Why so that?
Because if anyone play mobile games, uh, so I think it is wasted just time.
Okay. And which is your favorite sport?
My favorite sport, uh, actually, I like to play cricket in my childhood, but nowadays I like to play hide and seek game with the kids.
Okay.
Yeah,
So where do you play?
I play at my home.
At your home. So there are kids in your home.
No, but there is no kid at my home, but in my neighbor there are a lot of kids.
Okay. So as you told me that you were fond of cricket when you were in your childhood, so would you like to play it now as well?
Yes, I would like to play now as well.
Do you know cricket all things.
Yes, I know all things.
Okay. And which is your favorite indoor game?
Indoor games. All the games are my favorite.
Okay. And with whom do you play indoor games?
I play with my brothers.
Brothers.
What about you? Do you like play cricket? Yeah,
Yeah,
any game?
I like to play cricket and football as well.
Which is your favorite game?
My favorite game is both cricket and football. Both.
With whom do you play cricket and
I
volleyball?
I play cricket and football with my friends at Jart College. Okay. So
Okay,
that was a nice discussion. Thank you.
same to you.